with this song. Let me see. If they say why, tell them that it's human nature. Why does he do it that way? You say why? Tell them that it's human nature. Why does he do me that way? Why? Tell them that it's human nature. Why do you do me that way? Why? Tell them that it's human nature. Why you do me that way? Why? Tell them that it's human nature. Why do you do me that way? Why? Tell them that it's human nature. Why do you do me that way? Do you do me that way? Oops, sorry. So the first, it's just 2 chords. Brilliant. But you know what? Michael didn't write this. John Bettis and Steve Vaccaro wrote this. So, looking out across the nightlife. I'm sorry. Looking out across the nighttime, the city winks asleep as I hear the voice shake my window. Sleep is good, sweet seducting night. No, sweet seducting night. Get me out till the nighttime. Walls won't hold me tight. If this town is just a lipo, let me take a ride. If they say why, tell them that it's human nature. Why do you do that way? You say why? Tell them that it's human nature. Why do you do me that way? Yeah, brothers, this is a fun song. We'll post this. The key of A just goes from the G. So it's in the key of D. It goes to the 4. So I can transpose that. All right, peace.